Delicioso. All right, so this is what I got for Christmas. I want to show you guys. It's a mug because I've been stealing somebody else's mug. It comes with a silicone straw and it is full right now, so I'm tilting it, and it's because it has that extra cap. And right now I have a cloth just in case it opens up, but so far it passed the test. Dropped it twice already. It has a couple of scraps here and there, but overall it's pretty good. I like that it comes with that extra silicone straw. Now that means that you could put this in the dishwasher, silicone, right? Now it does get to melt just a little bit. Make sure you put it on the top, not on the bottom. And because of the actual angle is too loose, I might not recommend you on it because it might just go through the actual holes of the actual dishwasher. Now the actual system here opens up like that. It's ready to sip, cup, and drink. Now there is a little hole here for the air release. All right, so that's I like that part. It locks in place. It fits pretty much a lot of the actual areas in your car. So it has two layers. The first layer is for first cup holder. This means it's for if you order some food and they give you a cup holder, this is the size it's going to be. Second one is for the larger one, if you guys can see. Now you are going to have an issue because I do have a larger area that this is going to hit. And the older models of cars don't have a little indentation here, but the newer cars that are coming out, they do have that now. I noticed that. So that's another thing that just be sure that if you're going to have this, if you have one of those big 150 Fords trucks, that you might have an issue with the actual cup holder. Just be sure that you're aware that you might need an extension, or if you have one that takes a dual and it grips on, then you should be okay. But this thing overall, look at that, spill proof, very good. I like it. Great gift for anybody for the holidays. I didn't show you guys this part because I kind of rushed it, but let me close it up and open it, and it's completely full, right? So we're gonna cap it back and spin it. Now it's a little tricky because I want to make sure that it falls on the right place. So I'm gonna cap it back here. There it goes. And lock it in place because it does have the water. All right. Lock in place. No spills. Open it up. Oh, water.